Stanbridge University's ACOTE-accredited Occupational Therapy Assistant Program has led the way in healthcare education by reimagining the way students learn. You'll learn in spacious on-campus labs, train hands-on with virtual reality, the anatomage table, and synthetic cadavers as you learn how to help improve clients' physical, cognitive, and social skills. Expert faculty are ready to engage with you in small classes and clinical labs on campus and in clinical fieldwork. Find support through faculty and peer tutoring both on campus and online to build relationships in the classroom. You will actively influence your local and global community for the greater good, from helping to revitalize the environment to providing meals and resources for the underprivileged. Train to become the next generation of OTAs, whose confidence and skills is coupled with a genuine concern for helping and healing those in need. Stanbridge University has spent years transforming healthcare education, and we're just getting started. Welcome to Stanbridge University.